Hi, welcome to Carolina Shifters YouTube channel, where we do a lot of different things with power sports vehicles, as well as motorcycles. Well, if it's got a motor, we're probably going to do it. Okay, as well as going out and riding these things and just beating them. That's what we do. It's lovely. I love it. Okay, so to the subject of today, Starknightmt sent me a belt for this machine here, and we're gonna put it on. I just got done putting a clutch kit on it, so this isn't going to be a how-to video, but we're gonna pull this belt out. I probably should go get my tripod, but here's the belt, and we've already got it apart in there. I got the sheave. It's over here on the table from where I was putting in the clutch kit, and we're going to get around to putting that back together, and we'll talk a little bit about this machine here. I have 28 10 14s all the way around with aftermarket wheels. The wheels are 5 plus 2, I believe it is. And there's just been a lot of stuff done in this machine here. This right here, this bar here, actually I believe comes from Russia. I just happened to look up on it on eBay. I believe it may be the only one in the States, maybe, possibly. And let's see, we got the lower doors and mirrors with lights. Put this little deal in here, and oh, the light bar up there, if you can see it. Stereo back there. But anyhow, let's get back to getting this belt on. The lovely people at Starknightmt. I'm not exactly sure how they pronounce it. Well, doggone it. When it just whoops you, you know? Oh, it's laying on the floor. It must have fell. Okay, so we're gonna get into this guy real quick. Let's see, let me get this here set up here. They sent it to us to test. So we'll get this thing open. Hang on a minute, I'm gonna walk over here and grab the old one. Kind of do a comparison here. Let's see, width. Check it out. I mean, it looks right. I can definitely tell the one that I took off here, you know, it's got some wear on it, and I don't know, I mean, it looks shinier than I would want to. That means most likely a lot of belt slippage. After all, I have been running 31 inch boggers on it, which I have on this other machine over here. Uh-oh. Yeah, I got on this other machine right here. You know, I swap them back and forth.